Good morning, friends. This is Sid Panjabi here. Hope everyone's doing well. Today is Wednesday, 27th May 2020, and the time right now is 11:39 a.m. So I am going to analyze Nifty on the weekly charts. So this week being a truncated week, since Monday was Eid, so Eid Mubarak to all my friends, and we have only one day left for expiry. Well, 1.5 days left for expiry, which is half of today and tomorrow, and Friday also being left for the week to end and the month to end. So I'm going to analyze Nifty and tell you exactly what we are and where we are right now. So currently Nifty is trading at about 9,990 levels, and we opened gap up yesterday, which was Tuesday, and we came back down at the end of the day, and we closed lower. And today being Wednesday, we actually gapped up, and from there we've just come back down, and then we've sustained those levels. So we need more information. Like I said last week, if you watched my videos, we were in the range of 9,500 and 8,801, and that is exactly what happened. And I'm expecting the same for this week, since again this week Nifty has not done much, and we don't have too many global cues which could probably make Nifty go higher or lower so far. So I would expect Nifty to be in this range. So Nifty needs to break last week's high of 9,179 and last week's low of 8,806. Then we could probably go ahead and see what to do about Nifty. But right now we're going to stay in this range between 9,500 and 8,801. My stock pick for the week would be Apollo Hospitals in the cash market. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. Please leave your comments. Also, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media.